Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I got a fidget spinner with my own money. Today we're going to do tricks with this fidget spinner, and we're going to test out the world's smallest stretch Armstrong. So how do you open this? Boy, how do you open this? Emma.
So I'll go to English. What?
Emma. I got it. Okay. So, no idea how to open the stretch Armstrong, but I'm gonna try my best. Sorry if I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, I have no idea how to open this. So, just gonna do it the old-fashioned way. No idea. How do you... Dad, I need help. I don't know how to open this.
He looks like Mermaid Man. Right, Chinaman? This looks like Mermaid Man? Well, I know you've seen videos about it, so hopefully you didn't want one of these so you could cut it open and see what was in the middle.
No.
Okay.
Well, it feels so cool when you do this.
Ooh, smell it.
Oh, it feels so cool. There's something in the middle.
There you go.
Whoa. Yeah. This is so cool. Look. Whoa. Look at this thing. It's a mini stretch Armstrong. It feels so good, but there's something in the middle, like where his nipples are. This is warm. Look, it just goes back to its shape. Stretch! Raindrop, drag out, smoking. Da 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 da. Oh, it feels so good right here. So what? Okay, so you can try these positions. Sitting bull, which, look, you can try doing that. Actually, no, I'm going to try doing the other ones. Stretch Armstrong. And a fidget spinner. Look at that. It's my favorite color, yellow. Ba, 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 ba. Stretch Armstrong. Stretch Armstrong is so cool. Well, I got the world's smallest. You can buy the normal size one, which is like this big. Hasbro. It's not even hard to stretch. It's easy to stretch. Look, let me try and stretch him. See if his butt smells good. Ooh, it smells pretty good. Whoa! Oops! Guys, just to tell you something, I always drop everything that I get. So, yeah. His head is like so cool. Look, you can like turn it around. This part feels good. I can't believe I got a Stretch Armstrong. It's the world's smallest Stretch Armstrong. And a fidget spinner. I don't know which one I like more. Oh god. Guys, I'm gonna try and do some. Watch this. Whoa! Sorry guys. I'm trying to do something, but oh, it doesn't work. Stretch Armstrong. Ugh. Yeah. It's dance party. Dog, shut up! Look at that. Ooh. See if a fidget spinner can cut open and stretch. Oh! Sorry guys, I'm sorry. I always drop every toy that I buy with my own money. So yeah. See if fidget spinner can cut open Stretch Armstrong. Nope. Try one more couple more times. This Stretch Armstrong is so cool. I can play with this all day. Dog, shut up! Okay. Nope, it doesn't do any damage. You see? Sorry, my phone is like gonna die soon. No, not. I don't mean like die. I mean like break. Whoa! Let's do your way, guys. Whoa! Try and time in a knot. Ugh, it's kind of hard. Guys, look. Ooh! Tie him in a knot. Dad! Tie him in a knot. Yeah! We should do, like, some cool videos with this. Like, see if this can cut open Stretch Armstrong. But it can't. But I can do more cool videos with this guy. Look at him. He's so... Some awesome kids uploaded a video. See? Okay, put them back in. Look at that. Oh! Look at this, guys. It's Stretch Armstrong, world's smallest. Yeah! Look, it just goes back to its shape. Watch. Look. Ugh. I don't want to do it really hard because it might actually break, but this is still pretty cool. I've always wanted the world's smallest Stretch Armstrong and fidget spinner. Let's see if I can open some toys that I have. First, Stretch Armstrong. Nope, but it can tip him over. Second one, Batman. Nope. Next, we got Robin. Nope, it's just like the same thing. Next, pencil. No, but it can drop. Next, this thing. Okay. Doesn't do anything to it. Next, Crazy Aaron's thinking putty. Let's go. This one's magnetic, so. Nope. Whoa! That always happens. This can't do anything. But this Stretch Armstrong is so cool. And so is this fidget spinner. I've always wanted a fidget spinner for my whole entire life. Yeah. So guys, I will see you in my next video.